Watch in this fantastic video all the truth about drill machines and drill bits. Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this fantastic video I will pay more attention of how to use your drill machine properly, what speed to choose for effective work and how to work with it so fast like Andrew Teddy Bear. So let's get started. So guys, in this training video I will show you exactly that drill machine I worked with for more than 10 years and give you a lot of tips about how to what speed to choose to work with drill nails and what drill bit to choose. So let's start our story from the drill machines. The matter is that, guys, when I was the beginner, I just bought the cheap Chinese drill machine from AliExpress, and it was enough only for 1 week of my work. There was BPM 30 hundredths, or I don't remember how many, but I thought that it was good for me, and I would could do nails perfectly. But I was wrong, and after 5 days of working, it didn't work at all. It didn't work even on the first day of my work because it's not powerful drill machine. It even doesn't remove the drill polish. You can throw it out to the trash. It even not suitable for the housewives for doing nails. I don't know why these guys produce these drill machines for what nail technicians. You shouldn't buy them. You should choose only highest professional. For example, made in Korea, strong drill machines. They are good for nail masters, and you can order any kind of drill machine in, maybe also they are available on eBay, those drill machines, and it's not easy to remake this drill machine by Chinese manufacturers, but because all the trick is in micromotor. Micromotor is the difficult thing. It's not easy to produce it in the cheap manufacturer. So it's produced only, high quality drill micromotors like Andrew Stepanov uses at this moment, you can see. So guys, when choosing your drill machine, it's better to choose strong or marathon brands. I give my choice to them. It's not advertising, it's just my advice to you guys. You should use only high quality drill machines. Well, as you can see, I'm using the strong drill machine. That's my favorite. It's very strong. We can do everything with it, and it will work for us for a long time. This is the speed. It's very simple, guys. You just need to work with the high speed when you are professional, when you feel your drill machine perfectly, when you keep it strongly in your hand and you don't worry about. If you are the beginner, it's better to work with the middle speed like this. As you can see, it's placed very deep micromotor. It's cut already. Sometimes drill bits can vibrate. This is because of it has been bended, because it fell off on the floor like this. If it happens, it fall down on the floor, and it's becoming blunted like this. So what can we do in this situation? We should remove this drill bit and we should cut one to the other like this. But remember, you should throw out into the trash this drill bit, because it will be toothing will be spoiled after cutting the iron like this. So you will have this result. You can cut neatly like this, but I don't care. It's enough for me, this one. Protect your fingers because it's very hot while you cutting this drill bit. And I'm continuing story about the drill bits. As you can see, I have easily bended the ceramic drill bit. It's made from aluminum or something like that. It's the not alloy steel, because it's easy, very easy to bend. I didn't even make too much pressure to bend it. It's very easy to bend. One drop on the floor and it will be spoiled. You will throw out this drill bit. It's only one time drill bit, so you can use it only for 10 clients, for example. It will becoming blunted. Sometimes I use this drill bit even for removing the gel polish or the top coat, only the thin layer, when I just need to I don't want to need a lot of product. For example, express infill of gel nails or gel polish. It's more suitable for gel polish. If you even have a chance to order this drill machine for $50, you should do it, because it's enough price. It's good price for this drill bit. $50, it's enough. You can buy even 10 or more of these drill bits and work with them. But when you spend $5 or not $5, maybe $10 for this drill bit, $10, it's expensive. I think it's expensive, and we, for example, never sell this drill bits for such prices, because it's the big differences between the hard alloy steel drill bits and this one. I don't know, I never say bad things about something, but you will never bend such barrel or cone drill bit like I have bended this Chinese one, just because the big difference in the alloy steel, it's alloy hardened steel, which dental workers use for doing teeth or such works like this. I also gonna show you the real video. My daughter has the brackets, I mean things on the teeth which makes teeth look or staying more flat or in the correct way. I mean, I don't know how the word in English, but I visited the cabinet of the doctor, and the doctor worked with the same drill bit like we sell in our shop. I was amazed with that fact, because dental workers works with the same brand, and they said that drill bits are fantastic. So I suggest you guys to order only these drill bits. I heard one time there is one manufacturer in China which produces good drill bits, but I visited their store and I was shocked with the prices. It was very expensive. I think it's not marketing. It's not good to sell such drill bits for such high price. It's not good. I think it's enough, not more than $10 for this drill bit nowadays. I mean nowadays in our situations. So guys, now you know that the Chinese drill bits, ceramic drill bits, for example, they good for the express work like gel polish, for doing couple of clients, and the hard alloy steel drill bits, they will work for you more than 10 clients, sometimes even more than 100 clients, because you can see Andrew works with it perfectly. He likes these drill bits. He also can work with other types of drill bits, but he doesn't want it because he is satisfied with the quality of these drill bits. Of course, when you need to remove the gel, it's better to take the large size drill bit with a high toothing, large toothing, because it doesn't burn the nail plate, because the toothing is large and the surface is larger than with the small. The smaller the surface of toothing, the higher the temperature of removal, gel removal. That's why it's better to. But you should remember that the large tooth is removing more product. When, for example, you don't want to remove the base from underneath of the top or the collar, it's better to use the smaller toothing of the drill bit. Thin drill bits like cone, they are good for removal from underneath of the nail plate, and some kinds of cone drill bits you can use for removal the gel from underneath of the cuticles. I have some students now, they have problems with placing the gel products. They put products on the cuticles. Why? Just because they can't quickly and easily, they haven't trained their hand for easily removing the gel from underneath of the nail plate. And this is the problem, because when you combine the gel and the gel polish, some not accurate areas, they bring you problems with application of the gel polish. So you should clean the surface perfectly, the surface close to cuticles. Or you can use, for example, the other nail design, the gel a French manicure, or the nail design which is far from cuticles, when you don't touch it again. Only this case. So you should decide this problem this way. The first way, you should place the gel far from cuticles, but it causes liftings. You should understand it. The second way, you should perfectly work with the cone drill bit with removal of the gel, because also the Andrew teddy bear sometimes he puts gel on the cuticles, but he uses the cone drill bit for removing. So guys, let's take a look on the result. If you like this video, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and watch the next video again tomorrow with the new tips and new life hacks. We love you guys, see you, bye!